So we're working on a project here, and we've got a bunch of sliders, like a whole lot, and they're all components. And I think this project, we actually bought Finsweet Components, so essentially Swiper.js. And so far, the only challenging part has been this guy, which is a vertical slider, and getting auto height on it. And if you check out Swiper's docs, there's a whole lot of people moaning that they can't get it working and 500 different ideas of how to do it. And Finsweet also was sort of like, there's no auto height on vertical. But I managed to get it working. So if I look at this guy, you can see this project is just sliders and carousels and swipers everywhere. Things moving, this moves. Anyway, here's the guy. And look, we have different heights on these two. Okay, swipe. These ones easy. You just tick auto height or set swiper to auto height, and that's fine. This thing seems to be working nicely. So, how do you get the height to adjust? So, it's already a component here, and you can see it's just got a slot, and you can drop in as many slides as you want. But yeah, let's start by looking at the actual component on top, because that's where the important stuff starts. So this wrapper needs to be a fixed height. It wants a fixed height on the list element and the element around that, the list wrapper. And then, oddly enough, what it wants on the actual slide. So it needs a fixed height on the list and the wrapper around it. And on the actual slide, it wants it block, doesn't like flex, just can't deal with it. Height auto, minimum height, fit content, custom properties. And then this whole thing works and adjusts on its own. Just say auto, or what was the other one? Max content. I tried, that didn't work. So yeah, block, fit content, list around it, fixed height. Yeah, and there you go. It's working. You can see actually adjusts. Okay, the guy's ridiculously long, and we're just testing to see if it actually worked, but it worked. So yeah, probably get that up arrow going. Need a vertical slider with adjustable height. Block on the slide wrapper. Height auto. Minimum height is fit content. And that seems to be about what you need. Oh, and then the list and the wrapper at the fixed height, which is a pain when you get smaller. Yeah, there you go. Cool.